In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the exact way to create your WhatsApp link without your number. To do that, you have to go to your WhatsApp and then from chat, tap on this three dot and go to your WhatsApp settings. In your WhatsApp settings, next to your profile, here you will find the QR code icon. Just tap on that and select my code, and here you will find your WhatsApp QR code. So this is the first method to create a WhatsApp link without a number. So you can just download or take a screenshot of this QR code, and then you can easily share this QR code with someone and they will be able to easily access your WhatsApp profile by scanning the QR code. And now to generate a WhatsApp link without number, from here just tap on this share icon, and here we can see my WhatsApp profile link showing without my WhatsApp number. Now all you have to do is just take a screenshot of this page. Once the screenshot successfully captured, go to your gallery and open the screenshot. In here at the bottom right, you find this text scanner. Just tap on that and this will scan all your text from the screenshot. Now we have to copy the link here, just like this. So copy the link. Once you select it, tap on copy. Once successfully copied, you can just go to your WhatsApp randomly, or you can just open your notepad. So I'm just opening a random conversation, and here I'm pasting the link. And now we have to remove spaces from the link. So make sure you have removed all spaces. Now just send the link. And we can see the link successfully generated, and this is my WhatsApp link without phone number. So we can see the contacts is showing also. I'm just opening a browser, for example. Let's paste the link in here and removing the space. Tapping on go and tapping here, selecting WhatsApp, and we can see my profile showing. So this is the only one way to create your WhatsApp profile link without your number.